Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Who among the following is the leader of the Gujars in Rajasthan fighting for the reservation? Hardik Patel, Kirori Singh Bansla, Balwant Punia or Sachin Pilot? The answer is B. Kirori Singh Bansla is the leader of the Gujars in Rajasthan fighting for the reservations. Expect a question from this area. You need to know the leaders associated with the caste protest movements in India, very important. Kirori Singh Bansla is a retired Lieutenant Colonel in Indian Army. In 2007, he led a caste protest movement in the state of Rajasthan, and this demanded reservation in government for the Gujar community in Rajasthan. The Rajasthan Assembly unanimously passed a bill giving 5% reservation in government jobs and education to Gujars and 4 other nomadic communities. Now, for other state public service commissions, you need to know the other 4 nomadic communities also, very important. Banjara, Gadia, Lohar, Raika and Gadaria are the other 4 nomadic communities getting the quota benefit. Which of the following bills lapsed in Rajya Sabha? Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, Triple Talaq Bill, both A and B or only A? The answer is C, both A and B. Both Citizenship Amendment Bill and Triple Talaq Bill lapsed in Rajya Sabha. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 was proposed to grant citizenship to 6 religious minorities. Remember these names, very important: Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, Parsis, Christians, Buddhists from the 3 countries Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh who came to India before December 31st, 2014. And Triple Talaq Bill is the bill which criminalizes the instant divorce in a Muslim marriage. So both these bills lapsed. Who is the current Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Vinod Roy, Shashikant Sharma, Rajiv Maharishi, K.K. Venugopal? The answer is C. Rajiv Maharishi is the current Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Very important. Again, expect a question from this area as there is a news every day regarding CAG. Article 148 of the Constitution of India provides for an independent office of the CAG. CAG is appointed by the President of India. The term of office of the CAG is very important. Previously asked, 6 years or up to 65 years, whichever is earlier. Recently, CAG report on Rafale deal says that Rafale cost is 2.86% lower in value than the UPS deal in 2007. And improvement in delivery schedule was only 1 month over UPS deal. Opposition parties questioned the authenticity of the CAG report as Rajiv Maharishi was part of the Rafale negotiations earlier. And Hindu reports claims that UPS Rafale deal was far better than the NDA's, as earlier UPS deal was to buy 126 aircrafts to be delivered in 72 months, whereas NDA's deal is to buy 36 aircrafts delivered in 71 months. Which state's health department has drawn up an action plan against unhealthy food? Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra or Sikkim? The answer is A, Kerala. Kerala government is striving to fight against trans fatty acids in the state. Now, what are the foods which includes the trans fatty acids? The cakes, biscuits, sandwiches, the fried food items, the fast food items like pizzas, burgers, noodles, etc., which have the high fat content, sugar content and the salt content. So therefore, the Kerala's health department has drawn up an action plan to generate public awareness on these harmful ill effects of trans fatty acids in commercially available food items at public places, hospitals and cinemas. Now they will start campaigns which will rope in celebrities as ambassadors of healthy food. Supreme Court pulls up the Uttar Pradesh government for poor upkeep of which of the following monument? Ashoka Pillar, Taj Mahal, Agra Fort or Fatehpur Sikri? The answer is B. Taj Mahal. Supreme Court pulled up Uttar Pradesh government for poor upkeep of the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz Mahal in 1632. Remember the year, very important, previously asked. Now this Taj Mahal is turning into yellow, so therefore the Supreme Court asked the Uttar Pradesh government to file a fresh vision document in 4 weeks detailing the manner in which the monument would be preserved and protected from the pollution. The National Board for Wildlife is chaired by the President, Prime Minister, Governor or Minister of Environment. The answer is B. Prime Minister of India. Now the apex bodies along with the chairman is very important. The National Board for Wildlife is chaired by the Prime Minister of India. The National Board for Wildlife charged with allowing forest land in protected areas to be diverted for industry cleared almost 99.82% projects that came up for the scrutiny since August 2014. It cleared 682 out of 687 projects that came up for the scrutiny and only 5 were rejected since 2014. A wildlife expert formerly associated with this board described it as a clearance house. Now when compared with the earlier UPA rule, the UPA from 2009 to 2013 has approved almost 260 projects and rejected 68 projects. According to the data in the survey report by the Smart Power, what percent of the rural households have electricity in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Rajasthan? 75%, 84%, 95% or 100%? Answer is B. 84%. Only 84% of the rural households have electricity in UP, Bihar, Odisha and Rajasthan. Now this is contrast to the government's Saubhagya scheme data, which shows that 100% household electrification has been achieved in UP, Bihar, Odisha and 99.9% in Rajasthan. Now the main aim of Saubhagya scheme or Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, very important. It is an Indian government project to provide electricity to all households. World Health Organization issues guidelines for the audio devices and considers a volume of how much decibels as unsafe? 85 decibels for 8 minutes or 100 decibels for 15 minutes as unsafe. 60 decibels for 8 minutes or 100 decibels for 15 minutes. 70 decibels for 8 minutes or 150 decibels for 15 minutes or 100 decibels for 8 minutes or 150 decibels for 15 minutes. The answer is A. Now, according to WHO, 85 decibels for 8 minutes or 100 decibels for 15 minutes is unsafe. People are damaging their hearing ability due to excessive use of smartphones and other audio devices. Now, this is a report by the WHO. In a bid to safeguard hearing, World Health Organization along with International Telecom Union issued a non-binding international standard for manufacture and use of audio devices. Let's see the question for the day. Recently, NASA declares which of the following Mars rover as officially dead? Curiosity, Insight, Opportunity or Spirit? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Kezanur forest disease, also known as monkey fever, was recently observed in which state? Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan? The answer is B. Karnataka, as rightly answered by Shaurya Garg, Mallesh Myakala, Rashmi Solanki and also Preeti Temburu. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Kezanur forest disease, also known as monkey fever, is a tick-borne viral hemorrhage fever endemic to South Asia. Now, recently, because of this monkey fever, few people have died in Karnataka. The disease is caused by a virus belonging to the family Flaviviridae. The disease is also referred to as monkey fever as by local people due to its association with monkey deaths. Quote for the day: no legacy is so rich as honesty. So always try to be a honest person, as honesty is considered as the best tool of success in life. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.